you're experiencing login failures in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to improve your chances of successfully logging in. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch 2 website or social media channels to check if the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router to refresh the connection. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that Overwatch 2 is updated to the latest version. Open your game launcher, check for updates, and install any available patches to ensure compatibility with the servers. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you're playing on a browser or a platform that allows it, clear your cache and cookies. This can help resolve any corrupted data that might be causing login issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This could fix any corrupted files that may be preventing you from logging in successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve login failures in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard's customer support for further assistance.